2025 Lamborghini Urus in just 5 minutes. Now to cool off all that performance under the hood, you gotta have all these massive air intakes below, on top, and on the side to cool that thing down. Now not only do we got an 8-speed automatic transmission, but we got a 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 producing 789 horsepower and 701 pound-feet of torque. That's with the electric motors and the combustion engine combined. We got these massive tires on these 22-inch rims on all 4 corners with 325s in the back and 285s in the front. The only thing that can make these look better is your Barrett's Automotive Magic Tire Shake. Click the link below in the description and get it by yours truly. Behind your back tires, you got an air outlet for all that heat to escape, and you even got a black, massive, legendary diffuser along with a quad exhaust that sound real mean. We got 2 spoilers, one on top of the SUV and one on the trunk lid. If anybody's riding behind you, they can't mistake this thing for anything else with this massive legendary Lamborghini logo along with this design, and integrated in it is your trunk button. Now, not only are these seats legendary design with bolstering and all the extracurriculars, but these seats are also heated and cooled and massaging seats with 7 different types of massages and 3 different levels of intensity. And you can even adjust the bolstering for both the driver and front passenger seat right through the infotainment screen. This paint job is top tier and it's called Uranus Blue, but if you want to make your paint job look just as spectacular, make sure you get your Barrett's Automotive Spectacular Ceramic Wax by clicking that link below in the description. Not only do we got carbon fiber on both the back and front doors, but it's also on your entire dash around your climate vents, gauge cluster, center console, and it's even located in the back seat around your climate vents. We got a dual leather wrapped armrest that can both slide forward and backwards individually or collectively, and inside that thing you got a wireless phone charger, 2 USB-C chargers, and minimal size storage space. Now your center console has your engine start stop button, key fob holder, driver assistance, intelligent parking assist, and camera angles that displays your Urus in 360 degrees bird's eye view, and cameras for both your front and back tires, so that way you don't never gotta curb them legendary rims back there. You got cameras to see. We got Alcantara wrapped B-pillars and roof liner along with this legendary panoramic roof. We got a crispy heads-up display that showcases your live miles per hour along with the suggested speed limit, and it even reconfigures every time you go into Corsa mode. Press this button on the steering wheel to reconfigure your digital gauge cluster from 2 different digital layouts, but you can also reconfigure the left side of the digital gauge cluster by flicking the arrows anytime you want to go from vehicle info, ADAS, telemetry, dynamic widgets, navigation, media, and telephone. And you can reconfigure the right side anytime you want to go from a live G meter, pitch and roll, TPMS, hybrid flow, autonomy, and last but not least, your V8 indicators. Now to adjust the temperature or anything climate control related, you got your very own infotainment screen for things like your heated cool seats, your heated steering wheel, whatever you want to do climate-wise, it is right here integrated in that screen. We got a 12.3-inch infotainment screen that offers things like Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, media, ambient lighting, charging efficiency, telemetry pages that showcases your best track times. You also have your vehicle info that displays your pitch and roll, both your short and long-term statistics, energy flow, temperature, and tire pressure. Anytime you want to change your drive modes in this SUV, you can either flip this lever or use your infotainment screen to go from Strada, Sport, Corsa, Sabia, Terra, or Neva. Through the infotainment screen, you can both lower and raise the height of this vehicle, but you can also choose your powertrain to go from hybrid, recharge, or performance, my favorite. Integrated within your 2 cup holders is ambient lighting. Now with the driver's seat set for me at 6'10", here's both my headroom and legroom. And I know this looks bad, but trust me, I've experienced way worse. You can press a button in the back seat to lock this SUV. We got motorized electronic opening and closing shade shutters. Now when you're in the back seat of Urus, you do got a few amenities like 2 kangaroo pouches for storage behind the front seats, 2 hanger hooks, 2 climate vents on the side and in the middle, 2 reading lights, your very own climate controls, a leather wrapped armrest with 2 retractable cup holders, 2 USB-C chargers, and a 12-volt charger. Now, although we do got an abundant amount of storage space in the trunk, we also got your charging cables back here, a fishnet for storage, cargo sliders to separate your storage, along with an Alcantara wrapped cargo divider with a pop-up lid to separate the back seat from the trunk space. I ain't never seen that before. We got 0 to 60 in 3.4 seconds with a top speed of 194 miles an hour. Woo, this joint go. It's a one-size-fits-all glove because you got the sports car type handling and you got the practicality of a regular SUV and it look good. And did I mention, it's fun too, baby. Now that's everything I think you need to know about the 2025 Lamborghini Urus SE in just 5 minutes.